What's up, guys? It's me, Exploding Gamer, and welcome back to Raft. So, when we last left off, we upgraded quite a few things, and we're trying to get the radar, I think it is. But this is going to take a lot of work, because we need a lot of stuff. So, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, it really helps out. I hope somebody's watching this, and that'll be it. Thanks. So, without further ado, we'll start off here. Okay, what I'm seeing here is I'm going to need a spear, because we still got the shark. We forget that to connect. There we go. Got a bunch of stuff. Okay, so if we go here, what's the upgraded hook cost? We need a bolt, so we can't get that. Same thing here. If we go to weapons, that costs metal ingots. Yeah, let's get that. I swore I heard a noise. Weird. So we can collect that. Check if we see anything around, which we don't. Oh, the island we left last episode. Is this freshwater? Yep. So we can put that in there, and then we can fish. There's some food. Come on, come on. Give us something good. Okay, not bad. It's kind of small, but it's not the worst. Can grab that. And that. Okay. So, researching metal fishing rod. We can learn this stuff for free. What do we need? A dry brick. And to craft a dry brick, it's a wet brick, sand, and clay. We need to find an island. That's our main goal right now. So, guys, I'm just gonna collect a few items, and then I'll cut to when we find an island. Sound good? So, see you guys then. What's up, guys? I'm back. Sorry you missed this, but the shark just died. So it attacked the raft, and I fought it, and then it just it killed it. I killed it. So yeah. So now we got some meat and a head. Wait, can I wear it? Haha, you can wear the shark head. That's so cool. Okay, I'm gonna throw the shark head in here, I guess. That is really interesting. So we can... That's good, because now we have a lot of food, and I wonder if the shark will come back, which it probably will. New shark. But you never know, right? Island. Okay, we got an island. Also, I got this thing, which tells us which way the wind is going, and sadly, we have to go against the wind to get to this island, but it's okay. Oh, wait, there was... Let's go to that one, because it's closer to the wind direction. I think I saw an island over there. Yep, there is one, right there. So it's either that island or that island. Let's go to this one, because it seems like it'll be less climbing. Ooh, we got some stuff here. Okay, perfect. Okay, let's see. We got a cooked potato. We can put on the shark meat. That'll be good. Eat the potato. And eat this. we headed towards the island. Ooh, that's a bigger island. I like that. I really like this sail. It's very useful. I think we could probably place the shark's head on one of these. Sign, calendar, rug, clock. Yeah. So I made the base a little bigger. Yeah. Place a plank there. We can fill this with fresh water, have a sip, refill. I would not survive without that water purifier. Hey, let's see, we can craft some rope. And we're almost at the island. I'm gonna go fishing, actually, to get some meat so that I can craft some shark bait while I go collect the sand and clay that I need for the wet brick. And once we've crafted, yeah, see, the shark's back. And once we've crafted the wet brick, we can, oh my god, what's the word? Place it down so it dries, and then we'll be able to make a furnace. Okay, place the shark meat on there. Check this thing, nothing in it. Rotate it this way. Which way's the wind going? Still that way, but we're going this way. Okay. So it's getting quite dark. I wonder if I can turn my brightness up. Graphics. Shadow distance, resync, reflections. Okay, no. Are we making it closer to the island? Yes, we are. And sadly, we have to go against wind here. I'm gonna need a anchor. 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 That was the last of my stones, sadly, though. Let's see how much this shark meat gives. Ooh, that's not bad for some food. Okay, here's what we do now. We place our anchor, because we're just getting farther from the island. And now, place a plank there. Fill this with fresh water. What else do we do? Oh yeah, shark bait. Shark bait. Did I miss it? It's not here. It's not here. There it is. Boop. Okay. Let's throw that shark bait into the water. Wait for him to go get it. He's got it. Now let's go find some clay and sand, hopefully. And I'm pretty sure the shark bait lasts a long time. Ooh, we got some stuff. Not sure if it's sand or clay. I know it's something. Metal ore? Give us that. Okay, we got the sand we need. I hope this is clay. Stone. Scrap. The shark is still chowing down over there. Let's grab some more stuff. Stone? No, give us clay. Stone. Sand. Sand. Scrap. Maybe this is clay? Clay! Okay, we've gotten everything we need, guys. I'm almost out of air, though. Whew, close calls. Now I'm pretty sure we've got the ability to craft a wet brick. Yes, we do. We've done it. That's great. What is this? Yellow flower, yellow flower. I don't need any flowers right now. Right now the main thing is survival. White flower, white flower, white flower, red flower. Is there a crate on this island? I do not see one. That's okay though, because we got what we need. Let's swim back. We're probably going to get bit by the shark, but that's okay. Because we're in pretty good health. No way we don't get bit, right? Wow. We didn't get bit. I think he went for us, though. Oops. Oh! No. Sorry about that there, guys. I had a little technical difficulty. You guys might not have seen anything, but I did. Anyways, so let's continue. So now we can organize our inventory a little. Where? There. Okay, we got him. Okay, let's see. Put this down here. Scooch that. We got some metal ore, which is good. Not sure what we'll use that for, but I know it'll be used for something. We got some packages to open that'll give us some stuff. We got roses. We got sofa. And we got an outhouse. Interesting. We can cook some meat. Okay, and break the anchor. And we go here, place the wet brick, and see how long it takes to dry. Now we're going with the wind, just make sure it's perfect. And let's keep moving. Yeah, and don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, guys, and I'll just wait a little bit, okay? So see you guys when something happens. What's up, guys? I'm back. So, we've got an island over there that I'm heading to. That's the island we came from. It's gotten a little bit brighter out here. And I think I might have collected enough stone for another anchor. Please tell me I did. Maybe not. That might not be good. Anchor. I've got enough rope, but not enough stone. But that's okay. So, that's the coconut thing. So that's a recipe for a juicer. I'm going to shove that in there, because we won't be needing that for a while. Our shark head. It's still a wet brick. I think we just leave it there to dry for a while. At least I hope that's what we're supposed to be doing. We can take that, put that on, fill with fresh water, drink that, put that there. We're almost at the island, which is nice. And I guess I'll fish for a while. Ooh, we got a tilapia. Interesting. Jeez, I thought the shark was gonna attack our boat. Whew. And a herring. I actually went fishing a few days ago with some friends, and I caught a rainbow trout in real life, which is super cool. So, what do we need for a fishing rod? A lot of rope. A lot of rope. The boat's being attacked, and I threw the spear like a dummy. That's fine. We can always craft another. Okay, now that that's good, we can look around. I really wish I could cut down that tree. But I don't have an axe, and it costs enough to make it. Let's go. I've got an axe. Color me impressed. My raft is still chugging. Mango. 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 We got 3 from one tree. Wow, that's nice. Okay, so let's see here. Throw that. I don't need seeds. I don't even have a garden. Can craft some rope. We got some coconut. And a lot of mango. It's great. We need a new hook, though. No, not that hook. The hook I just crafted. Where'd it go? There it is. Perfect. And our boat's leaving, so we gotta leave with it. Whew! Shark almost got us there. Let's keep moving. So, it's going that way, so let's go that way. Okay, guys, I'm gonna wait for the brick to dry, so I'll see you guys then, once it does. I'm back, so the brick has been drying for a few minutes, and now it's finally dry, so now we have a dry brick. And I think we can use it here. Yeah, to help us research this, the furnace. Or smelter. Same thing, different name. What do we need? 6 dry bricks? That's crazy. That is absolutely insane. 6 dry bricks. Well, guys, I'm gonna have to cut till we find another island. See you guys then, I guess? What's up, guys? I'm back. I've been drifting for a while. I've made, so far, 1 wet brick out of the 6 we need, and I've crafted a, chest. Like a big chest. So, yeah, we've got a dry brick, and we're coming up on an island here. So, I will grab that barrel, and then I'll craft an anchor. First, we grab our stone out of our chest. Now, what do we need for this anchor here? For an anchor, you're gonna need stone and rope. I do not have rope. Good thing I can hop onto this island and get some. Can I grab this out of the tree? No, I can't. Mango, mango. Good. Please don't tell me that was the only tree. Okay, good. There's one here. Okay, let's see. We're short 2 palm leaves. Let's see if there's any around here then. There are absolutely none. Lucky me. In that case, I'm just going to keep this faced this way. I'm going to throw some bait into the water, and I'm going to collect some stuff we need for the anchors. Oh, wait, there's one here I missed. There's the bait. Let's find a name for the shark. How about, I don't know, Karen? Would be a good name. Ow. The shark is attacking me very much, and it hurts a lot. Or Karen is. Is it taking the bait? Not yet. It's fine with me. It gives me time to heal up. Just as long as it takes it. There it is. We've taken it. Okay, so those are stones. This is something we need. Clay, yeah. So we're looking for scrap. No, not scrap. Sand and clay are the 2 things we need here. That's stone. Why is there so much stone? Ooh. Clay. That's good. Sand. Sand. That is stone. We don't need that. Ooh, here we go. Having trouble finding the amount of clay I need, though. Ooh, this might be some, though. It's something. Metal ore. I don't need that, but I'll take it. Just in case. Ooh, these look shiny. More metal ore, more metal ore. Uh-oh, our hook is about to break. Okay, I need plastic. Ah! Shark's back. Karen's back. Okay, let's start drifting again, because that's all for this island. Grab that, and let's move. Which way is the wind blowing? This way. Try me, bro. Try me, shark. Let's go. That's what I thought. Pick up the plastic, and craft a plastic hook. Use this to fix things. That was a good collection, actually. Wasn't bad. Shove that in there, take the sand. Get another wet brick. Okay, we're halfway there, guys. We're halfway there, so we gotta let those dry. And yeah. Well, guys, this is gonna have to be it for the episode. I really hope you enjoyed. This has been Exploding Gamer, and I am out. Sorry about this. Oh, wait, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, too. Bye.